Hello, kamusta? I hope okay lang ka. Ako di ay si Joanna Naldosa, nag-eskwela sa Baysog Kalapi Campus. Tara, manglaag ta.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi everyone. For today's video and I'm gonna show you my plans after 7 weeks. So let's go.
Third week, fourth week, sixth week. So it's 7 week now of my planned journey. I'm so excited to show you all how I am doing today. This week, I'm focusing on watering. I will be showing you my water techniques. I know I've missed a few weeks update. Life got a little hectic with my schedule, and aside from that, I tripped back to my hometown. And I think this is the last week plant update. Thank you for watching. For more video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant adventure. Bye!